here in front of you to explain interest on monthly drawings. Our topic is interest on monthly drawings. Sometimes partners withdraw money from their business, from the partnership on monthly basis. On monthly basis, they can withdraw the money from the business in many ways. He can withdraw the money, a partner can withdraw the money in the beginning of every month, a partner can withdraw the money at the end of every month, a partner can withdraw the money middle of every month or any time during the month, or it is not mentioned the date when they withdraw the money. So there can be many cases regarding interest on drawings on monthly basis. So we will start when, first case, when partner withdraw money in the beginning of every month throughout the year. Suppose our year start on 1st April 2018 and ends on 31st March 2019. March 31st March is the ending time and 1st April is the starting time of the year. And partner is withdrawing money in the beginning of every month. That means a partner is, first of all, he withdraw money on 1st April, then 1st May, beginning of every month, 1st June, 1st July, 1st August, and so on, and 1st March. Throughout the year, he withdraw money on 1st day of every month. 1st day of every month. 1st April, 1st May, 1st June, 1st July, throughout year. The whole 12 months he withdraw money on the 1st day of every month. So how we will calculate interest on drawing in such situations? In such situations, we have to calculate average period. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate average period. And how you will calculate average period? What is the formula to calculate average period? Average period can be calculated. Average period can be calculated. This is the formula: time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing over 2. This is the formula to calculate average period. First time he has withdrawn money on 1st April. When a person is withdrawing money on 1st April, how much time he has used this money? 1st April, April month complete, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. That means he used this money for 12 months. Time left after last drawing. In the last, he has withdrawn money on 1st March and he used this money only for single month, that is complete month of March. That means time left after first drawing is 12, time left after last drawing is 1 divided by 2, that is 13 by 2 or 6, 1 by 2 or 6.5 is your average period when a partner withdraw money in the beginning of every month. Am I clear? Now, how you will calculate interest on drawings? Interest on drawings, when a partner withdraw money in the beginning of every month, interest on drawings can be calculated. Interest on drawings equal to amount of drawing into rate of 100 into 2 into 1 by 12. Amount of drawing into rate upon 100 into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. Instead of 13 by 2, you can write 6.5 also. You can write 6.5 also, but it is better for you to write 13 by 2 for calculation purpose. Am I clear? So this is the formula to calculate interest on drawings when the partner withdraw money in the beginning of every month. We should shift to the next formula on monthly drawings. This is when a partner withdraw money at the end of every month. At the end of every month throughout the year. Throughout the year. Again, your year starts 1st April and ends on 31st March of next year. Right? And a partner is withdrawing money end of every month. That means first of all, he will withdraw money on 30th April, then 31st May, then 30th June, then 31st July, and in the last, he withdraw money on 31st March. Am I clear? End of every month. He is withdrawing money end of every month. First time he has withdrawn money on 30th April. That means he cannot use this money in the month of April. He has used this money throughout the year but not only in the month of April. Again, you have to calculate average period. Again, you have to calculate average period to get the answer of interest on drawing. Average period can be calculated time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing over 2. First of all, you have withdrawn money on 30th April and you can use this money for 11 months. In the last, you have withdrawn the money on 31st March and you cannot use this money in this year. That is 0 upon 2. That means average period will be 11 by 2 or 5.1 by 2 or 5.5 to calculate interest on drawings when partner withdraw money at the end of every month. Now, formula to calculate interest on drawing is interest on drawing can be calculated by applying this formula, that is amount of drawings into rate upon 100 into 11 by 2 into 1 by 12. This is the formula to calculate interest on drawings when a partner withdraw money at the end of every month. Am I clear? Next, third point is when a partner withdraw money at the middle of every month. At the middle of every month. Middle. Or date of drawing is not mentioned in the question. Date of drawing is not mentioned in the question. Am I clear? Middle of every month. That means 15th April, 15th May, 15th June and so on. Or date of drawing is not mentioned in the question. In such situation, you have to calculate interest on average basis. You have to calculate interest on average basis. That means you have to calculate interest on drawings for 6 months. You have to calculate interest on drawings for 6 months. And in formula of interest on drawings will be amount of into 6/12. This is the formula to calculate interest on drawing when a partner withdraw money on average basis or in the middle of every month or date of drawing is not mentioned in the question. So this is the formula. Next fourth point when a partner withdraw money in the beginning of each quarter. Money in the beginning of each quarter. In the beginning of each quarter. What do you mean by quarter? Quarter means the time period of 3 months. That is, if your year starts from 1st April and ends on 31st March, then your first quarter is 1st April to 30th June. Then second quarter is 1st July to 30th September. Third quarter is 1st October to 31st December. And fourth quarter is 1st January to 31st March. So there are 4 quarters in a year. There are 4 quarters in a year. First quarter 1st April to 30th June. Second quarter 1st July to 30th September. Third 1st October to 31st March. And 1st January to 31st December. 1st January to 31st March. Now the question is, when a partner withdraw money in the beginning of each quarter. In the first of all, he withdraw money on 1st April, then 1st July, then 1st October, then 1st January. Beginning of each quarter. Beginning of each quarter. So first of all, you have to calculate average period. Average period. Formula of average period will be same. Time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing over 2. First of all, a partner withdraw money on 1st April. When a person withdraw money on 1st April, he can use this money throughout the year. He can use this money throughout the year. That is, time left after first drawing is 12. Time left after first drawing is 12. And in the last, he has withdrawn money on 1st January. He has withdrawn money in the end of each quarter. Beginning of each quarter is 1st January. In the last, time left after last drawing is January, February and March. 3 months upon 2. Average period will be 15 by 2 or 7, 1 by 2 or 7.5. Beginning of each quarter, average period will be 15 by 2 or 7 by 2 or 7.5. And you can calculate interest on drawing by applying this formula. Interest on drawing equal to amount of drawing into rate upon 100 into 15 by 2 into 1 by 12. This is the formula when a partner withdraw money in the beginning of each quarter. Am I clear? So the next formula is interest on drawings when a partner withdraw money at the end of every quarter, at the end of each quarter, at the end of each quarter, end of each quarter. Again 9 months. At the end, he has withdrawn money on 31st March and he cannot use this money in this year, that is 0/2. And your average period will be 9/2 or 1/2 or 4.5. This is the average period when a partner withdraw money at the end of each quarter, and interest on drawing is amount into rate of 100 into 9/2 into 1/12. 9/2 into 1/12 when a partner withdraw money at the end of each quarter. Next, 6 is when a partner withdraw money at the middle of each quarter. At the middle of each quarter. Middle of each quarter, or date of drawing is not mentioned in the question. Date of drawing is not mentioned in the question. Again, you have to calculate interest for average basis. Again, you have to calculate interest on average basis, and your formula to calculate interest on drawings will be interest on drawings will be amount of drawing into rate of 100 into 6/12 when date of drawing is not mentioned in the question, or a partner withdraw money in the middle of each quarter. Am I clear? So this was all about your interest on drawings when a partner withdraw money in the beginning of each month, end of each month, middle of each month, beginning of each quarter, end of each quarter, and middle of each quarter. Thank you. Have a nice day.